Alright, we are back with this thing, putting stuff back where it belongs. And this is gonna take a long time. These boxes are really tough. Oh my god. I had to use the actual full force of my entire muscles to open that. That's a side note. Some packaging solutions are so ridiculous. I always think, don't these people ever test them out before, giving them to the world? And just to put things into perspective, this is a cheese packaging. And the entire cheese, the entire box is full of brine. The cheese is submerged in brine, so you have to pop this thing open and it's full of salty water. And just imagine that. You've seen how hard it was for me to pop the lid off, and imagine that with this full of water. That is a really, really bad design. Do I have radiators here? I think I'm gonna need another of these cans for some radiators. Oh wow, these are really something. Plastic, a lot of plastics. You know what? A separate can for that too. I have some, you know what these are called? Is it staples? But then again, staples are those linear things you use on paper. That's wrong right there. So I don't think so. Electronics. Where do I have the electronics? Here. This is gonna go to electronics too, because it's a battery holder. Some capacitors here. Is there anything in? Yes, a small capacitor jammed in there, and a tiny little resistor. It's been a while since I played with speakers like this, playing something like an oscillator or something. So that has to go. Things that needs to be disassembled because it has that resistor there. Wires. Do I have? I'm gonna need something bigger for wires. I already have boxes for wires, but you know what would be really cool? Have some lights in here. But I don't think so. In real person, it's enough lighting in here, but on the camera, it's very dark. I'm gonna use this tall one. Let's see where this goes. It's gonna be for short bits of wire anyway, like these. And this is actually a separate thing. This is where I put the connectors, because this is an audio cable. I'm just gonna put it, jam it in there. Kind of work my way after I'm done with all the sorting. Now these are buttons that are useful in the car for all sorts of. So I have a separate can for my car here. Rubber. I know I have rubber too. These are screws. This was used as a radiator. However, not of much use, I think, for what I need, so I'm gonna just what the hell? Just put it in. Have 2 metal cans, but I don't know. Plastic again. Aha, couple more wires. See, that's why you need very big things for wires. It's already almost full here. Another piece. And another piece. And another piece. Any other? Now, these are mostly electronics, so I'm gonna wanna fish stuff out of here. This is for keys. This is a different do-it-yourself can. I have one of those, rubber. It's actually a paper pen. I'm gonna put that aside. All these. Because that little paper bag was broken. All. This is something else. Those kind of fell in there. And these smaller ones are from buttons. Plastic. Oh, switches. A lot of different things here. I kind of want to fish for any non-electronics. Come on. Another one of these and plastic. Kind of want to separate everything that is non-electronic. Ah, springs. Do I have springs? That should have been an option. Nope. I don't see any, but I'll do this because I have metal here too. I'll just put that to the metal can and use this can for springs. Be nice looking LEDs. There's another spring. Right there, one of these. I love a screw for my car. I'm gonna put this to the car can because I want to have things for my car in one place. That's just an ordinary screw. See if we can find anything else that is not electronics. A little washer here, and the screws can, and those tiny springs from the buttons again, and the button goes to plastic, spring goes to springs. There's 3 springs, probably 3 of those plastic buttons. The loops. Nope, this is the 3rd button, and now I'm done with them. Ouch! Wow, that went right through my skin. Okay, electronics. I don't see too much of anything else. What is this? What is this? The EM8, oh, an LM240ST. I have no idea what that is. By the shape of it, it should be some kind of amplifier. And all these connectors. Yeah, just pop in there. Yeah, I kind of... Do I want to do that? Because these are onboard connectors and those are... This is confusing. Yeah, I'll just get those. If there's any other connectors, I want them taken out, because I have a separate place for those and for these buttons as well. I know exactly where they're going, so I don't need to think it after I, you know, like I did with these components, you know. They do have their own place. And yeah, very connected. There's a little bit of metal. Ghost metals. A jack connector, and quite a lot of them actually. Yeah, and I think that is most of them. Maybe a few more buttons. Yeah, that is not a big deal if it escapes. It's still groups as electronic components, so let me see if I can't see anything. Oh, there's another connector. Okay, I'm gonna leave the jumpers in. I'm just gonna, yeah, this is enough. This is enough, and it's just electronics, and now it will all go in the electronics. Down like that, and there you go, another box, fully emptied, and a piece of plastic. I don't know where this came from. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.